Alright guys, we're back at BMR to do some e-tuning with Derek here. So we've got the RV6 turbo, our custom downpipe that we made. This is our inlet kit with intake. And we're going to start showing you what it does and how it sounds. We've got our catch can in the back, the full bolt-ons RV6 turbo. We might max out the fuel system today. We're on an E50 blend, but we'll see what she's got in it. And just sit back and enjoy the sounds of this 1.5 turbo, and let's get some good power down today. Alright guys, we're just doing some initial pulls, testing out the inlet intake kit. Derek's going to make a new file for it. Alright guys, back at it, just doing some initial testing. Derek's got to sort the intake due to the MAF scaling. But yeah, we're just getting some baseline runs in to tweak out the tune. Another tune, time to roll. Make sure to give us a big like, thumbs up. All right, another pull, let's go. Get back a little bit so you can hear it all the way back here. Alright guys, well, things didn't really go as planned today. Some issues on the dyno with the evap system and the venturi on the inlet. So gonna have to get a different venturi and get it on there. And we'll revisit the dyno. So the results weren't anything. I think it did like 246, 250 torque. The problem is the evap system was fighting the tuning. So we paused for the day. We'll be back in a couple of weeks. Got to get that one welded up on our inlet and get back on the dyno and see what she does. But it does sound good. Let us know in the comments what you guys thought of our intake, inlet, downpipe that we did. I think it sounds sick. And the RV6, huge thanks for the turbo from them. And PTP for their blanket, which they sponsored us and sent it to us. So thanks to those guys, and hopefully some numbers in the next couple weeks. But glad you guys like the content. We're going to keep it coming with the 11th gen and all these parts. Inlet pricing should be about a week out, and we can get those on the website for sale. All right guys, till next time, see ya.